Joe, Peter, what are you guys doing here?
We got an invitation to a dinner in my honor. I assumed it was for all those arrests I made last month.
That's weird. My invitation said it was in my honor. I assumed it was for being able to quiet the alphabet, which I almost did for the poop on the S. Yeah, well, everybody on the bus was upset long before that anyway. What the? Derek and Jillian. What are you guys doing here?
I got a card that says they're throwing a dinner.